The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Hello. Today, let's learn with Coach John Jike the optimal distance in table tennis. You need to lean forward to reach to the ball. John Jike asked the student to wait for the ball on the table. Flick it out. Yes. After completing your motion, make it smooth and extended. It should feel very fluid, not jerky. Like you're being electrocuted, go slower. Yes, even slower. Yes, slower, slower, slower. The ball hasn't landed yet. Don't volley it like a volleyball. That's not how it's done.
不能拦网，你得落台才行。对，落台，对，板型，板型，板型，板型，对，很好。慢一点，你又快拦网了，慢一点。对，慢一点。你看我都是下降点摆，慢一点，对。重心，重心。搓球能搓到1.85米。 我们都是搓到1.65米，你搓到1.85米。对你找找感觉啊，不错。动起来，动起来，动起来。重心，摆两下可以调，你摆那么多下干嘛？
Your center of gravity, keep it tight. Yes, quick steps forward and backward. It's like this. Watch. Yes, it should make noise. Silent, no friction. Yes, that's better. Make some noise. Keep moving forward and backward. Yes, light steps, very good. Good.
欢迎我们新进直播间的朋友们，大家点点赞、点点关注、转发一下直播间。
这几个多好。
Do your steps make noise? They should. If you move like that, there's no sound. There's no sound.
点一下左上角的粉丝灯牌，加入我们的粉丝团。
这啥意思？ 好球，对，动起来啊！颠起来，颠起来啊！球不落地，脚不能停。
Slower, slower. Here comes that move again. It's getting overly fancy again. Slow, short push.
好球。
My throat gets hoarse training with you.
跟你训练我嗓子哑。
Stay light on your feet. See light steps.
小乐也挺逗。我说跟你训练我。
My voice is completely hoarse. He doesn't even say, "Coach, have some water."
金嗓子。
Amazing.
有水。我给你拿一张。你不要这样啊，拧拉拧出去啊，拧拉你看，拧出去，不要这样，来摆一个，反正拧一个，对，拧出去啊，对你动作做完之后，很舒展啊，就很这下很舒展啊，不要是。出去啊，出去，很好，出去啊。好球，好球。你又弄这些，其他都不学，只学霸王拧。慢点，太快了。对，你慢一点。重心下来。对，重心下来。又快了。可以，可以。正手挑打挑着。挑出去啊，不要去滑，集中啊，集中，不是发力，集中，啊，不是发力。
大家
集中，
别光看热闹啊，我们点赞，点关注，对吧？看咱们直播间里
动作小一点，集中一点。
都没有点关注，大家点个关注呗，对不对？我们长期关注一下直播间，也希望大家能够学到一些关于乒乓球的知识。
你看，你是这样的啊，来啊，你是发力是这样的，啊，你看，集中一点啊。
我们在宁波海曙啊，
好球。好球，这个好，好球，好球，可以，又摩擦了，不摩擦，啊，推出去啊！你看，你不能是这么，啊，推出去啊！
对的，在宁波啊，
推出去，这样太晃了，你会，你看，你是有点这样，啊，推出去，你看。这球有重量啊，要把重量挑出来啊，这样是飘的，这不很轻松吗？对吧？可以， 非常好啊。你看这球又，可以吧？训练结束肯定得来个 Give me five， 是吧？练得不错，牵拉一下。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.